Often, the link outcomes will not go to separate flow pathways, but will rejoin beyond one entity. We need another condition in our process flow after HR approval. This time it will be called reconfirmation required. In this case, the flow needs to move backwards and resourcing approval may need to be undertaken again. You can never have two inputs into a stage, so it is not possible to draw a link into that stage at present. Instead, you need a way to merge together the flow links. This is undertaken using a joint, but only where there is one active input and not two. With conditions, you only ever have one active output, and therefore, when combining flow after conditions, you should use a joint because there will only be one active input. In this case, if we move our flow and insert a joint between enter leave request and resourcing approval, then we can draw a flow link from reconfirmation required into that joint. This makes logical sense because you are either entering your leave request for the first time and moving to resourcing approval, or you have already entered it and reconfirmation is required. You are never doing both at the same time. In this way, using conditions, you can split your process flow into binary pathways. When you need to combine it, because you are moving the flow backwards, or perhaps just to avoid undertaking an action, then you would use a joint, but only where you have a single input.